It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hey, everybody! I got dressed up for the occasion. I hope you don't mind. My name's Jennifer Coffey, and it is full-blown holiday season here at QVC. Actually, it has been since like beginning of July. But anyway, we're in the double digits until we get to the big day, which means we are fully into gift-giving season. And every week here at QVC, you can check out your great hosts who are doing a little something called the Weekly Unbox, where we are going to bring you a different theme every week to help you find the perfect gifts for the ones that you love, you, your family, your friends, your pets even. So check it out every week for a brand new theme. I got one of the best themes I think there is, unique gifts. But here's the thing, and this is where it gets a little weird and frankly a little nerve-wracking. Everything in front of me, I have no idea what's in here. And usually I'm fully prepared, ready to go, but I mean, it's gifts, so we have to be surprised. So I'm gonna go down the line here. Let's open these up together, find out what we've got, and find out who these are gonna be the perfect gifts for. Okay, should we start over here or over here? Let's see, I'm feeling stripes. All right, here we go. Also, guys, congratulations to whomever wrapped these because A+ job. Clearly, I didn't do it. All right, here we go. Are we ready? These have to go. All right. Are you tidy about it or are you dramatic? I'm gonna go dramatic. Woo! All right. Here we go. Oh. We woof you a Merry Christmas. Unique, but clearly a little bit themed, right? Okay, wait, let's see what this one says. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay. We woof you a Merry Little Christmas. Oh, you guys. Somehow I feel like Carol and Gracie should be opening this one. But anyway, we all have great pets, right? This one instantly made me think of my little peekaboo. Peekaboo. My little chihuahua. I mean, what's a holiday season without our entire family, including our pets, right? Cute little napkins here with the theme in red and green. We woof you a Merry Christmas. All right, let's keep these right here as we go down the line. All right, next up. Again, let's be dramatic. Oh, I know what this is. Hang on, hang on. This is the important part of it. Hint, hint, this is something I never thought I would have needed until I moved from Texas to Pennsylvania. I think there's something like 1.2 million of you who already know what this is, right? Check this out. What's that? Okay, let's talk about a little something about the holiday season that maybe isn't all the best for some of us. Winter weather, right? This is the frost guard. So that goes over your windshield so that the snow and the ice can't get into the onto the window and you're not scraping it off or shoveling it off your car. It has saved the day for me many, many, many a time and is honestly part of the reason why I'm still on time for my shifts because I'm not like getting all the snow off the windshield. Frost guard. All right, what do we got next? Hope you're not the recycle the paper type. All right. Okay, there's 3 or 4 people in here. Do y'all know what this is? Do you know what this is? Well, I know you know what this is. You probably wrapped it. Okay, this cute little thing right here is one of the first things I ever purchased at QVC, and you guys didn't know that. So what is it? You put it right on top of your boiling pot of water, boiling pot of pasta. That's the key one, right? The one that overflows. And these little petals right here keep the water from overflowing. You can literally walk away from that pot of pasta and it doesn't flow over. And while it seems like such a little thing, guys, this is probably one of the things I use the most out of all my purchases at QVC. So basically, this little guy, you won't need as much because of this right here, like that. All right, here we go. No, I got no idea. All right. All right, this feels fragile, so I'll be nice. Y'all look. I'm so ready for Christmas. Are you one of those people that counts down like starting December 26th? Or are you like totally done? Because on December 26th, I start the countdown all over again. And I know it's super early, but I'm already listening to Christmas music. Am I weird? Just don't answer that question. Okay, there's 1, there's 2. This I love because it's the gift you give before the holidays, right? Let's see. Who are these by? Wait, hang on. Wait, I have my little cheat sheet. Mr. Christmas! Yay! I promise I'll help clean up afterwards, guys. Okay. Aww. Can you see? It lights up. All right, show of hands, how many of you actually had the larger version of this in your house? I grew up with, well, it was bigger and it had little holes in them and you put toothpicks in them with little hors d'oeuvres on them. They've become so nostalgic and make us think of the holidays from when we were little kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And they're battery operated so that you can hang them from the tree and they light up. All right, let me clean all this up and show you everything we got. P.S. and by the way, as you might think, this is but a sampling of all the great gifts that we're gonna have for you every single week. It's all right at QVC.com right now. Search your gift guide, because that's where you're gonna find all the latest treats for family, friends, pets, and more. So what do we have? We have something probably best for you first, right? So you're not frustrated during the snowy season. You can get where you wanna go on time. We've got ways to decorate your home and bring a little bit of whimsy into your home and honor the pets as well. This, for the gals who can barely even boil water, and those of you who are full-blown chefs at home, will keep your kitchen frustration-free. And this right here, which honestly isn't this what it's all about? Getting into the holiday spirit, decorating your home, getting that cozy feeling when you get there, and giving yourself permission to really enjoy the holidays and think about all the things that you're grateful for all year round. I'm grateful for you. And I'm grateful to QVC for giving me this opportunity to share some of our great gifts for you. If you want to check out more, it's all at QVC.com. Search our gift guide. It changes every single week. And happy holidays in advance from me to you.